And in fact, one of them is pretty much the mini Berkshire Hathaway strategy, but we flipped it on its head slightly, again, based on experience, because what looks great in a spreadsheet is putting these companies together, rinsing out a load of synergies and sticking a manager in charge. In reality, it doesn't work. Small businesses, the value is created between the culture that the owner has with its staff and its customers. And if you just take the owner out and try and homogenize everything, you lose that value, that inherent goodwill that you're trying to pick up through acquiring that business. And so the traditional kind of rinse out the synergies, buy and build strategy doesn't actually work that well in owner managed businesses. And I've tried it many, many times, and I'm sure there are people out there that can do this better than me, but my experience has been it's fraught with danger. And so, we try and retain the entrepreneurs and give them a platform to grow their business rather than, just buying them out and sending them off into the sunset with a pile of money that I now owe to the bank, which I don't see as being a terribly sustainable model. So, what we find is you often want to retain that, person that's doing the job of 3 people for the salary of half a person. You kind of want them to stick around through the process. So, our version of the mini Berkshire Hathaway, if you like, is founder driven rather than top down driven, and I think that's where we win over quite a few of those strategies that are more built on a theoretical platform.